Hi everybody, I decided to send out a little video about the Professional Learning Network for the California Community Colleges, specifically about how you can access lynda.com for free via this network. So the address for this site is prolearningnetwork.cccco.edu. That's all you really need to get to the site and log in. The first time you use the site, you're going to have to register, and you will get a confirmation email after you register. And please use your Peralta email address, because that way you'll be recognized as a California Community College instructor. So I'm just going to log in. So when you log in, you'll be in your profile. If you want to, you can save things here. It's kind of like a dashboard for you, except that you can actually, if you want, save resources, and you can save your training list. You can create playlists and things like that. But all I'm going to ask you to do right now is look at this Learn link. I'm going to click there. And that's how I get to the lynda.com resources. So I'm going to click on lynda.com. And hopefully it's going to go there soon. So in lynda.com you have some choices if you want. If you've used lynda.com previously, you can import your playlist or things that you've already done. And I recommend doing that if you have used it previously. So, but in the meantime, what you can do here is you can search for content. So I'm just going to click on Word because I was looking for content for my computer literacy class. And there's a lot of Microsoft tutorials. So they actually have Office 2016, but we don't have that yet at Merit. So what I was looking for was 2013. So they also have that. And if I scroll down to the bottom here, there's actually what they call Essential Training, which is a basic overview. So I'm just going to pop there just to show you that they have a list here of all the topics and the length of time for this tutorial and the skill level. All of the videos have transcripts. So they also all have exercise files, which is kind of handy. But the main thing is, let's say that you wanted to include this in your class. All you have to do is click the share button, and you will get a link to the course, which you can copy. Sorry, this is not a link really to the course. It's a link to this video, but actually when the video is pulled up, I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to copy this link. So here I am in my Moodle course. I'm just going to turn editing on. And then I already have a free Microsoft Word ebook in here for students to use. But now I'm going to add that lynda.com course material. So let me just move this down a little bit. I'm going to click on URL, click the add button, and then I'm going to put something like video tutorial for Word in lynda.com. And then I'm just going to put this link here. And for appearance, I want to choose open because that cuts out the middleman in terms of putting links in. So now, I'm just going to turn everything off. So when a student comes in, they can click on this link, and what they will get is something that looks like this. And as you can see, there is...
Before we can dive into the many powerful features and functions of Word 2013, we first need to launch the program and get comfortable in our environment. So let's explore the user interface.
And a student can choose what they want to do here, which is good or bad depending on the student. But once again, like for example, if I just have a section on
paragraph justification can be used to change the look of a document, improve readability, or adjust certain parts of a document as well so they stand out. We're going to
So in other words, I can link to
one bit of
all these sections in my course if I want to, or I can just make one general link that let student range freely over the content. So in any case, one of the advantages of this is it's free, it's very well developed, it's fully accessible, and it saves you from having to create and update content, and it saves the student from having to purchase a textbook. So I hope you'll consider using this. There's tons more content than just what I've showed you today. So it's worth it to just sort of explore Lynda.com and see if there's anything there you like. Alright, so I hope you will.